And we've seen Hiwoto Dengise going in for a header. Aberu takes a long one. Whoa! What a wonderful goal by Aberu. This is the second goal in her tournament, in this tournament. Aberu took a long one, and Pauline Otieno could not do much to save this wonderful goal, which went right into the top corner. The ball went into the right corner. She scored the second goal, her second goal in the tournament, which is the opener in this game. Aberu seems to be very efficient when it comes to free kicks. She has scored the second one. This is her second goal in the tournament. Grace hariya twavuga ko iki gitego uburyo kigiye mu mupira ni kufraiterewe kure. Malheureusement umunyezamu Pauline Atieno ntagabashije kufata.
Gura ifatabuguzi rikunogeye aho uri hose mu gihugu ukoresheje MTN Mobile Money, Tigo Cash, Airtel Money cyangwa ugana abaduhagarariye mu gihugu hose. Azam TV, imyidagaduro kuri bose.